Okay, it is the 29th of May 2025. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Or did I start too early? Should we wait for a couple more minutes? I can stop.
Oh, no, I think go ahead. This is Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, yeah, I was I looked some more at the vision chip and uh, figured out that I don't need a breadboard, but I do need to solder a couple of pins on. And that's kind of all I can think of. Um, but I did kind of look at that vision chip and getting that tested, and I'm going to try and do that in the next day. And coming week, then finish the testing of the vision chip. I want to troubleshoot the. I was demonstrating the tank level, but one of the wires came loose. And the guy pointed it out, and I said, no, there is one, but there is one that's not used. But there was also a one that had a solder that came loose. So I'm going to fix that, maybe make one or two more because it looks like on the garden project we can use a few of them.
So I have some
And
crosstalk on that if you want to remind me.
yeah, okay. And blocks are I just this and that health thing. Uh, and Also, yeah, it's getting same as you, the garden. Oh yeah, there's something else in the garden too. I ordered some medieval plants. I'll list them to you later on
Medieval.
crosstalk.
Ooh.
Okay, and so back to you.
Hey, it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatchewan, Canada. Haven't got much to report. Actually, I haven't done anything this week. Next week, I don't think I'll get to Docker, but I will try and watch a couple of the videos that you have linked so that I can kind of follow along and see what they're doing different. The one guy you said especially was using Docker and VS Code, so I will check that one out. And blocks, yard work. The acreage is piling up. Garden, we've got to get the garden in, otherwise it's not going to be ready in time for harvest. And we just lost a hot water heater. The heat exchanger went, so there's water all over the floor, and it was a bit exciting. So that was my weekend. Anyway, um, I guess that's about it. Back to you.
Okay, yeah. So I'll give myself a 7.5, and the team an 8, and process improvement is to document and uh, document the progress that we've made, the various things that are going on.
Okay. I am going to give myself a 2 for showing up for stand up. And I will give us an 8 for a team, 8 for the team, because you're making progress. We're still showing up, we're still trying, but it's not making very much progress. And I don't really have a process improvement. Um, and I guess that's about it. I will start off the crosstalk because I think this is recordable. So for the tank level, what is happening is you are on a Bluetooth connection to a tablet or a phone, and then it is sending text to you. There is another method, that I'm using for my temperature sensors that basically I'm just trying to remember the name of the program, and Telegram. So it logs into Telegram in a dedicated chat group, and it reports the data. So it's better in that you don't have to have a phone within reach, within 30 feet that's powered up, but
Okay.
you do have to have Wi-Fi. So that's a
Oh
negative,
yeah. Okay.
right?
All right. Because Signal doesn't work well on the desktop, at least on
Yeah.
Linux.
So
Right.
if you
Right.
have
Okay.
Wi-Fi, basically your ESP32 logs into um, Telegram and does periodic updates. But
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
it requires creating a group,
Right.
creating a bot, putting that into the source code, and then downloading it. So it is more complicated than doing it on Bluetooth, but it's kind of more permanent.
Right. Yeah. Actually, like I had it. I had it writing into Signal when it was
Mhm.
working,
Okay.
but I don't know how to actually hit return, so it actually sends the message.
So there is a setting on Signal that it does a line feed when it gets a carriage return, or the other way around. Um,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's a special character, and then
there's
that does
there's already a carriage return, or there's already a line feed. I don't remember
the line feed. Is
which
it?
one is being sent, but you have to basically, whenever you get a carriage return or a line feed, you assume the other one. It's a setting on Telegram.
Oh, so on Signal, the line feed doesn't send it. It has an arrow. So yeah, okay.
Okay,
So if for Telegram, if the line feed sends it,
yeah,
yeah,
it's a setting. So that's one of the reasons I use Telegram, actually.
right, right, yeah, okay, all right, that's great.
And anyway, I know that we should probably have the documentation set up so that we can use either the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi connection to Telegram. I haven't gotten around to documenting it. The problem is you only do it once, right? And
Yeah,
then you've already got your group named, so you don't have to create a new one. So in order to document it, I'm gonna have to create a new group and then not use it.
right. Yeah, okay,
Anyway,
great.
I think that's
Yeah,
probably the way that it would make sense for you to do at your house, but the Bluetooth is probably the way to go for the garden.
yeah, yeah. Like this is one of the locations we're thinking of is like a
Mhm.
little lake that is like a reservoir. And I think the cell phone is the only thing we can get there. No, don't no, pardon me. There's a pump and there's a plug. So theoretically you could use like a Raspberry Pi or something.
But you still need communication though, right?
What you need Wi-Fi. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. No, so the phone is yeah,
So it
it needs
might
to
it
be the
might be
phone.
the phone is the way to go.
Yep.
Um, but
Okay.
again, if you're using a phone, you can set up the hotspot and
Right.
use the phone's data and go ahead with Telegram. So
Right. Yeah.
I haven't played around with the various different options yet, but
Yeah.
it's something that I need to play around with here within the next month or so.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's all the stuff that I had for crosstalk that we probably want to record. Anything that you
Okay.
have?
Yeah. Yeah. Why don't you stop it?
Okay, I'm gonna hit the button.